Hi everyone, happy holidays. I am so excited for this month's food and wine series because I'm actually making a really special recipe. My best friend Nana shared this with us and it is her world famous lava cake. So before I even get into it, I have to give the biggest thank you to Nana McGaunn for sharing her recipe with us. This is something so special and I'm really excited to show it to you, and I hope I made her proud. So the wines today that we're recommending you pair are the Orin Swift Others. This is 100% Grenache grapes from France. It is so vibrant and dark with beautiful fruit flavors and notes of spice. It goes great with dinner, but it goes even better with chocolate. Next we have the Orin Swift Location. This one is from Italy. It is sourced from all over the country. They use some of the best varietals. This one also has a lot of notes of dark fruit, some ripe berry flavors. It goes really nicely with chocolate and with the strawberry compote we make in this video. Both of these are available now in the store and they are the perfect complement to holiday festivities. So now we are going to dive in and make Nana McGaunn's famous lava cake.
Start off by buttering the inside of your ramekins. This recipe calls for 6, so it makes 6 servings, but we only had 4, so we got to save some batter for later. Then I melted 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate, 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, and a stick and a quarter of butter. You could do this in the microwave. I just liked doing it over the stove. Once you have that done, you're going to add in your flour and your confectioner's sugar. I had this pre-measured because we went over to our friends and this recipe only takes 14 minutes to bake. So it's actually amazing. It doesn't take that long and you can have a restaurant quality dessert in just minutes. Once you've sifted in the sugar and flour, it is time to stir. So you're gonna notice at first it's really clumpy and everything sticks together. Once you add in the eggs, it will smooth out and start to look like cake batter. So this recipe calls for 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. After stirring, you could already see it looks so much more like cake batter. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue to stir that before we measure out to go into the oven. So again, this recipe is for 6, and since we had the 4, I went in with a 1/2 cup measurement to start. And I didn't want to overfill them either because it does say to bake for 14 minutes and we have to honor Nana's recipe. Now it's time to bake for 14 minutes. The oven should be preheated to 425. While that's going on, I took a couple of minutes to make the creme fraiche whipped cream. I started off with sugar, vanilla extract, and a little bit of creme fraiche. I blended that together and then added in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And before hitting that with the mixer, I did just stir it again with a spoon to get it nice and smooth.
What? We're spending $6,300 on a hot tub?
Dude, look on the jet. You gotta check on the jets.
It's going to get so fluffy and be the perfect texture. While this is going on, I made some strawberry compote with sugar, maple syrup, strawberries, and a little bit of Cointreau. This is what the lava cakes will look like when they come out of the oven. I topped with the whipped cream and the berries, and this is the moment of truth, and it did lava. This recipe did not disappoint, and I'm so thankful that Nana shared it with us. Thanks, guys.